In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask a question to a seller on eBay, as well as what to expect when contacting an eBay seller. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the eBay website and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you should be taken to the main homepage where you can search for the items you're interested in. Now navigate to the items listing page. This is a crucial step as it's the page where all the details about the product are listed, photos, descriptions, seller information and more. If you're looking for specific information or clarification, this is where you'll need to be. On the listing page, keep an eye out for the option to contact seller, which is usually located under the listing title. Once you've found the contact seller option, go ahead and click it. This link might sometimes be under additional menus, but it should typically be straightforward to locate. After clicking, scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll find another contact seller button there. Click it and this will set the wheels in motion for you to reach out to the seller. Now once you've clicked it, you'll notice a chat box appearing on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll be able to type and send your message directly to the seller. It's very important to be clear and concise in your message, expressing your question politely. Ensure that your query is straightforward. This will not only help the seller understand your concern better, but also increase your chance of receiving a helpful response. So when crafting your question, think about the specifics. Are you asking about the condition of the item? Do you need clarification on shipping details or return policies? Whatever your question may be, clarity is key. Once your question is typed out, the final step is to click the Send Message button. You'll usually find it at the bottom of the chat interface. After sending your message, be patient while you wait for a response. Sellers may take a little while to get back to you, depending on their schedule and time zone, but many sellers are eager to help potential buyers. It's also worth checking your eBay messages or email for any notifications from the seller, as some might reply faster than others. So there you have it, a straightforward process to asking questions directly to sellers on eBay. Remember, being polite and clear in your communication goes a long way. Happy shopping, and I hope you find exactly what you're looking for.